Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions.
Thank you. Do you like visiting any park?
Yes, I like visiting Dimban Park.
Why do you like visiting park?
Because I like it very much. It's actually very charming.
Is this park nice and clean?
Yes, this park is nice and clean.
When do you normally visit this park?
I normally visit this park in the morning.
How far is this park from your home?
5 minutes, this is my home.
How do you travel to this park?
I travel this park by CNG. I like it very much.
What things do you like about this park?
I like some shop.
Do you have plan visit the park next time?
Yes, I have.
When you visit this park next time?
I will visit next time in diabetic.
How
Next time.
do you visit this park?
I visit park once in a week.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions.
Thank you, sir. What do you do at the weekend?
I get up early in the morning.
When do you get up at the weekend?
I get up early in the morning at 6 a.m.
When do you take breakfast at the weekend?
I take breakfast at morning 8 a.m.
Do you like traveling at the weekend?
Yes, of course, I traveling at the weekend.
Where do you like traveling at the weekend?
I like traveling park.
Do you like traveling by train or by bus at the weekend?
I like traveling by train normally.
With whom do you like traveling at the weekend?
With my family members, I go to traveling at the weekend.
Do you like going to cinema at the weekend?
Yes, of course.